Good afternoon. My name is John Armstrong. I've been 3 times a patient at Cooley Dickinson Hospital, each time going in through the emergency room. The hospital has done so well by me that I want to tell you about it, and it has motivated me and my wife to want to support the hospital, and in particular support the enlargement of the emergency department. My experiences go back over 15 years. The first time I came, it was because I had a ruptured appendix that I tried to tough out. My wife drove me to the emergency room early one morning, and I was met with immediate care by the staff on call. I had a small examining room to myself. I got the diagnostic tests that I needed, and then emergency surgery to deal with a ruptured appendix. And I'm absolutely convinced that between the emergency department and the surgeon who was on call, the hospital and you all and the surgeon saved my life. A decade later, I came via ambulance to the emergency room because of a problem with balance and with my eyes, and I was immediately taken into the emergency department. Again, had a place for a private exam, and my experience with the hospital lasted a couple of days, but again, I left in good health. Maybe 5 years after that, I had my most recent experience with the emergency room, again arriving by ambulance, but this time, over the years, the call on the services of the emergency department must have greatly increased, because although I was eventually admitted, I spent 2 hours on a gurney in the hallway of the emergency department, which actually I found very interesting because I could observe the very interesting medical technology, which is a great interest of mine, and secondly, see the skill and the competence with which the emergency room staff dealt with some of the other patients there in the hallway who were not as cooperative, shall we say, as I was. I was very impressed with the staff on that occasion. All in all, my experience both with the hospital and with the emergency department has been extremely positive, and quite frankly, when there is the opportunity to give back, I would like to do that. My wife and I are very happy to be able to support the expansion of the emergency department and show some real gratitude and thanks for the wonderful care that I received. Thank you.